Welcome back to Squawk Box. Rick Santelli and Steve Leisman are both with us to talk about some breaking economic data. Rick, I'm going to go to you first, sir.
Yes, the Empire Manufacturing, of course, manufacturing in and around Gotham. It's a March read, so it's very contemporary. We were expecting 15. We ended up with 17.4. And that is a good number because post-COVID, the best level was 17.2. So this shoots us back to the best levels since around Thanksgiving 2018. And it gives us another notion that everything is starting to ramp up a little bit, starting to take out some of those post-COVID boundaries as various parts, as we just heard the Maryland conversation, various parts of the country are opening more fully, and other parts of the country that have been open are kicking in a bit more GDP. We still have a long way to go, and I know there's an awful lot of questions out there, especially by people that have already had their second shot, but ultimately the word vaccine should give us all a vision of green, as in green light, for the rest of the economy to begin opening up. Andrew?
Thanks, Rick. Steve, what do you think?
I think I'm going to do Rick's job. I'm kind of surprised that Rick didn't mention what's happened to the prices paid component here. That's been a really important part of a lot of these manufacturing surveys we've seen. And I think the dynamic here is that, and apologies to Rick, just making fun here. We've seen manufacturing ramp back up, but at the same time, prices paid by manufacturers and prices received by manufacturers are also on the rise. In fact, here, this survey says you have input price increase continue to pick up, rising at the fastest pace in nearly a decade. You also have expectations for higher prices rising. This is part of the test of the mettle of the market that's coming. We are going to see higher prices paid, higher prices received. It's going to, on the one hand, sap some of the earnings power, but on the other hand, probably push up inflation a bit. I will tell you also that the expectations for future employment also at the highest level in 10 years. This economy is about to go through a major metamorphosis here, and the numbers that we have are not going to be the same as the ones that are coming, and the market's going to have to adjust to coming data, and we'll have to listen very closely to how Fed Chair Jay Powell finesses all of this on Wednesday.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.